So the purpose of this video is to show you how to restart your air conditioning in a green Hilton hotel. So this is day 3 at the Hilton Inn at Penn at the University of Pennsylvania. So when you get up and your room is very hot, you will see a thermostat here that has this particular message on it, and it says, to control thermostat, insert key card at door. Okay, so we go over here and the key card is inserted firmly in the door. The key card turns on all the electricity, it turns on the lamps, it turns on the air conditioning, and the key card has been inserted for a while. It works fine with the electricity. But the way you fix this thing is like so. It's evolving. And maybe you can hear the air conditioning is now coming on. Let's crank that sucker down to 70. And now we no longer have a room that's like a sauna. And that's how you fix green air conditioning at a Hilton hotel.